Saudi Arabia is the largest country in the Middle East, covering approximately 2.15 million square kilometers. The kingdom was founded in 1932 by Abdulaziz ibn Saud. It is home to the two holiest cities in Islam, Mecca and Medina. Saudi Arabia is the world's largest oil producer and exporter, with approximately 17% of the world's proven oil reserves. The country was the first to grant women the right to drive in 2018. The national animal of Saudi Arabia is the Arabian oryx, which was once on the brink of extinction. Saudi Arabia is a monarchy, and the king acts as both the head of state and the government. The national language is Arabic, and Islam is the official religion. The kingdom has a young population. Over 50% of Saudis are under the age of 30. The Riyadh season, which began in 2019, is an annual entertainment and cultural festival that attracts millions of visitors. Saudi Arabia has a desert climate with extreme temperatures, with daytime summer temperatures often exceeding 50 degrees Celsius (122 degrees Fahrenheit). The country is home to the largest continuous sand desert in the world, the Rub' al Khali, also known as the Empty Quarter. The kingdom has an extensive rail network, including a high-speed train linking Mecca and Medina. Saudi Arabia is a leading member of OPEC, Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. The country has implemented Vision 2030, a plan to diversify its economy away from oil dependency. Saudi Arabia is known for its beautiful coral reefs along the Red Sea, making it a popular destination for diving. There are vast natural reserves of minerals in the kingdom, including gold, copper, and phosphate. The kingdom follows Sharia law, which influences all aspects of life, including legal matters and daily behavior. The kingdom has a unique architectural style, blending traditional Islamic design with modern aesthetics. Al-Ula, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features ancient Nabatean tombs and rock formations. Saudi Arabia is home to the world's largest palm oasis, Al-Aqsa Oasis. The Saudi Arabian flag features a green background with a white Arabic inscription and a sword, symbolizing Islam and the kingdom's power. Mecca is closed to non-Muslims, making it exclusive to followers of Islam. The country's legal system is based on Islamic law, or Sharia, which impacts everything from family law to criminal offenses. The total population of Saudi Arabia is over 35 million, with a significant number of expatriates living in the country. Hajj, the annual Islamic pilgrimage to Mecca, is one of the largest gatherings of people in the world. Each year, Saudi Arabia hosts millions of Muslims for Hajj, with around 2.5 million participants in 2019. Saudi Arabia has a rapidly urbanizing population, with major cities like Riyadh, Jeddah, and Dammam experiencing significant growth. The kingdom is investing heavily in renewable energy, particularly solar power, as part of its Vision 2030 initiative. The cultural heritage of Saudi Arabia is rich, with traditional music, dance, and art forms reflecting its diverse history. The kingdom has 6 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including At-Turoof district in Diriyah and the archaeological site of Al-Hijr. Saudi Arabian cuisine is known for dishes like kabsa, a spiced rice dish, and shawarma, meat wrapped in pita bread. The kingdom has a strong sports culture, with football, soccer, being the most popular sport. Saudi Arabia is home to the King Abdulaziz Historical Center, showcasing the kingdom's history and heritage. The Arabian horse is an important part of Saudi culture and history, with breeding programs established for its preservation. Saudi Arabia's economy is predominantly oil-based, but efforts are underway to promote sectors like tourism and entertainment. The kingdom has established several mega-projects, including Neom, a planned cross-border city focusing on innovation and sustainability. The Saudi Arabian National Day is celebrated on September 23, marking the unification of the kingdom. The country is known for its traditional coffee culture, with Arabic coffee, gaham, often served during social gatherings. The Red Sea coast of Saudi Arabia boasts some of the best diving sites, attracting enthusiasts from around the globe. The kingdom is investing in its cultural scene, with initiatives to promote arts, music festivals, and film screenings. Saudi Arabia has over 120 museums, showcasing its cultural artifacts and history. The capital city, Riyadh, is the largest city in Saudi Arabia and serves as the political and administrative center. The kingdom is bordered by the Persian Gulf to the east and the Red Sea to the west. The Saudi education system has undergone significant reforms, with a focus on improving quality and access. Bedouin culture continues to influence modern Saudi Arabian life, with traditional clothing and customs still prevalent. The kingdom has a rich tradition of storytelling, with poets and storytellers playing important cultural roles. Saudi Arabia has publicly listed its state-owned oil company, Saudi Aramco, which is one of the most valuable companies in the world. The country experiences unique natural phenomena, such as desert sunsets and stunning rock formations. The kingdom is leading investments in space exploration, including plans to send Saudi astronauts to space. The Saudi financial sector is one of the largest in the region, with a growing fintech industry. Traditional markets, or souks, remain popular in Saudi cities, offering everything from spices to handcrafted goods. Saudi Arabia plays a significant role in global geopolitics, particularly in the Gulf region. The country has several international airports, with King Abdulaziz International Airport being one of the busiest. Saudi Arabia has made strides in women's rights, with initiatives aimed at increasing female participation in the workforce. The kingdom's governmental structure includes the Consultative Assembly, which advises the king on legislation. Saudi Arabia has 4 distinct geographical regions: the Najd, Hijaz, Eastern Province, and the South. The country is known for its stunning landscapes, ranging from mountains to vast deserts and coastlines.